This tiny bird is nature's most terrifying submarine, and almost nobody talks about it. It doesn't swim, it doesn't float, it submerges and walks the riverbed. Against a current powerful enough to sweep a human away instantly, like a living submarine. Its body seals itself against the freezing water, translucent eyelids, built-in underwater goggles, a slowed heart, dense waterproof feathers, a body pressurized by evolution itself. No engineer designed this. Nature did. No webbed feet, no gills, nothing that should function underwater. Yet this natural submarine operates in water cold enough to kill you in less than 3 minutes. Its base of operations, built inside waterfalls, hidden, unreachable, untouchable. Even its home is a weapon. Every single day, this living submarine dives, hunts, and resurfaces, silent, precise, unstoppable. In a world that would destroy almost anything else, nature's smallest submarine, built millions of years before humans ever imagined one.